In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSH access via the Hostinger H panel. Whether you're a beginner wanting to leverage secure communications or someone looking to deepen your website administration skills, this straightforward guide will walk you through each step needed to make that happen. To start, let's open up our preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's H panel. You can do this by typing in the URL hpanelhostinger.com, which will direct you to the Hostinger homepage. It's worth ensuring that you're logged into your Hostinger account. If you're not, go ahead and input your credentials to sign in and gain access to your dashboard. Once you're on the home page of hPanel, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Websites option. This will typically be found on the left-hand side panel. By doing this, you'll be directed to a list of all your registered domains with Hostinger. Here you get an overview of your sites and the services associated with them. Now that you're in the Websites section, the next move is to click on Dashboard for the specific website you want to configure SSH access for. It allows you to manage all the backend options associated with the domain. You'll find this option usually somewhere around the website's name or in the menu that cascades under it. After entering the dashboard, look for the Advanced Settings section. Clicking on this will open up more detailed settings options, key for enabling things like SSH access. This might sound slightly technical, but Advanced is simply an area where you can customize and configure deeper aspects of your hosting environment. Next, you should notice a section labeled SSH Access. Go ahead and select this. It's the gateway feature for setting up secure connections to your server. SSH, which stands for Secure Shell, offers enhanced protection over regular connections. It's particularly useful for remote server management. Now that you're in the SSH Access section, find and click on the button labeled Active. This action is crucial as it allows you to switch the SSH function into an operational state. Initially, SSH might be toggled off for security reasons, so activating it is a fundamental step. Finally, there is a step to enable SSH access, which complements the previous active toggle. By clicking Enable, you're officially allowing SSH protocols to function on your server. This setting makes sure your server interaction is secure moving forward. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled SSH access on your site using Hostinger's H panel. This strengthens your site's security and opens up advanced management capabilities. Remember to use SSH securely by employing strong passwords and managing keys diligently. Happy administering!